Hey, Cabo. Welcome to Story Time with Sisi Asake. Today we continue our special tale. Remember in our last episode, clever Ijapa and his cautious friend had just stood under the light of the largest palm tree as strange whispers filled the night. Now the mystery deepens. At the end of the story, we would have learned some new Yoruba words. Are you ready? Let's go! Ní alẹ́ náà, Ìjápá stilled his nerves, determined to uncover the secret. He crept closer to the ancient palm. The voice, soft yet compelling, seemed to echo from the hollow part of the trunk. Mabo, 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 it murmured, as if inviting me in. Aja nervously, backing. Ìjápá, jẹ́ kí a padà. Ìjápá ignored the dog's plea and with a determined expression places his ear against the rough back of the palm tree. Undeterred by the dog's fear, Ìjápá listened intently. Suddenly, as if summoned by his boldness, a glowing beetle scuttled out of behind the frond, its light revealing a hidden passage near the tree roots. Just like that, the whisper ceased. Intrigued and emboldened, ó ya Ìjápá náà lẹ́nu. Ìjápá prodded at the opening in the tangled roots. A narrow tunnel, barely visible in the moonlight, led underground. Àṣírí ọ̀rọ̀ hidden behind the mighty palm. This kọ̀rọ̀ had been there all along. Ajá, shouting, Èmi ò lè ṣe o. Èmi ò lè ṣe, èmi ń padà. The dog, unwilling to join, crawled back. Ìjápá on the other side, driven by bravery or foolishness, crawled alone into the darkness. Inside that glow, the narrow tunnel, and the distant sound of Gogon whispered hidden secrets. What lay beyond this passage? Is it a treasure or a curse? Ìjápá, mo ti ń retí ẹ. Àyà Ìjápá já. What is happening? Ìjápá's heart was pounding, and his eyes met those of the mysterious guardian, the hooded figure, clothed in the tradition of our ancestors. The tension in the cave was strong. Our daring Ìjápá could only gasp as the figure stepped closer. Now our adventure takes a mysterious turn. What secret does the enchanted palm frond hold? And what will become of Ìjápá as he stands face to face with destiny? Ìjápá o. Stay tuned for the next chapter in our tale. We'll see you next time. Okay. Ó dàbọ̀.